Hello Pop-Uppers! How are you today? This is Chacha and welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to make a pop-up photo collage using the twist mechanism. It is so fun and interesting, so come on, let's do it together. Keep watching! To start our collage, let's use a paper strip that will serve as our tab. This strip is 200 GSM vellum board in 2 inches by 6 inches. Let's put markings on every 2 inches because that will be our guide for the twist mechanism later. Make sure that your strip has an exact measurement so that you won't encounter any trouble later when you attached it onto the spread. This should be the final look of our tab. By following the measurement and the markings, you will surely get this perfect output. Be careful not to make mistakes on the cuts. Okay, here it is. Now, let's make a crease on these lines at the center of the tab. Then, fold it like this. Also, fold the crossing lines at the center. Okay, now the magic is here. Hold the tab like this, and by following the crease, it automatically folds and creates an arrow shape. So you see, once the spread is closed, this tab will stay folded like an arrow, and when we open the spread, the tab will also spread out itself and reveal whatever elements we put on it. Alright, however, it is so unfortunate that I accidentally deleted the video clips where I pasted the tab onto the spread. So, I filmed again showing how to paste the tab onto the paper. But I did it on a separate card, just to show you how I did it. First, you have to find the center of the spread. Next, put a mark on it. Then, paste the tab where the mark is. Alright, here it is. That's so easy, right? Okay, so let's go back to our main card. Let's have these two thin and a little long paper strips for our elements. Because these are thin and long, it might not sturdy, so I double the strip just by pasting one on top of the other just to make it a little stronger. So now, let's attach it onto our main tab. That's it! This is now ready for the elements. Oh, by the way, make sure that these strips won't stick out of the paper. If they do, you can always adjust or cut it out. Next, attach both ends of the main tab by inserting the cuts. In that way, we can have two extra little tabs on top of the main tab, and we can put some elements on them too. Alright, it's time to cut our elements. These are the photos of my cat Momo. I just want to create a photo collage of his naughtiness. Also, as you can see, there are two clip arts below, the cat drawing and the paw. I will also use those. I just randomly got them from Google, and I give the credit to the one who owns, created, or uploaded those two clip arts. Okay, everything is ready, so let's paste the photos on the tabs. For the photos, you can always adjust them according to the movement of the tabs. Okay, we're done. Here it is. Wow, it's amazing, right? I will always say that pop-up is really magical. Apart from being interesting, it is truly magical. Through pop-up mechanisms, pictures do not just stay still. You can make them move, dance, and fly. Everything will come alive. That's the beauty of pop-ups. So pop-uppers, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye!